Practical activity 8.28. Open math results. Used in work example 8.39. Use a function to count all the students inside C12. So all the students in C12. So we can simply use over here is counted, and we can use this to count all the students. Use a function to count all the students who failed in the test. So we can use for this is counted, and we can select this, and we can use over here the double quotes is fail. Use a function to count all the students who achieve distinction. So same way is equals to countif, select this, and comma in double quotes distinction, right? Use a function to calculate the average distinction mark, pass mark, and fail mark in subset. So we need to find out over here is the average distance. So average fail. We want to find the average fail. We can use equals to average if. We need to select is the range, comma. What we need to find is I'll change this to fail, and then here we go. So that's the average fail mark. Then we'll get is pass, and then distinction. So same way. In fact, you know what I can do is I can simply log this, and I can log this, and I can simply replicate this. There we go, right?